Today in operating system, we are going to see the basic Unix and Linux commands. And first question, list the content of user home directory, including the hidden files. If you give ls minus a, we will give it will give the hidden file of the number. Example, godc and dir1 dir2 example that's will give. And second question, list the content of variable directory. If you give ls, it will give um, file table text and dir up to dir1 like that in question 2. In question 3, create two directories named drill1 dir1 and dir2. I will give mrk os and lab2. And second, cd OS lab2 and mrk mkdir dir1 dir2 and will give yes, it will give the name. That's all. In fourth question, create the hidden directory with names. We will give touch dot name and we will give ls minus v. It will give the name full name. And fifth question, change into directory drill. If we give cddir, it will change. It will change into dir1. And third, copy the file etc password file to the correct directory with the sample text as file name. We will give cd and password. It will give the same here. Seventh question, change into home directory, use password and check your in a home directory. If you give cd, it will give password. If you give cd and password, it will give the registration here. And this eighth question, create a file text using and directory following content. If we give cd, if we give grep cd computation, grep computation text1 and text cut minus f1, it will give the number melvin 07f4 5 minus 4 501. List the student name, register number in the class. If we give the grep computing text1 text cut f minus 1 command, it will give the names of name that registered. List the count of student who have interested image processing and store the process in another file. If we give cat result text cd va result, we grep grep image processing test1 and test2 cut, and we will give the cut result here. In the display the first two rows of the content, will give head to, it will give result cat result and it will give this one. In ninth question, if display the content of the following test1 without the black lines, and it will give, if we give grep minus this text or test, it will give this. And 10th question, move the file sample text from drill dir1 directory to dir2. It will sample dir1 vs, it will give this. In change directory, change dir2 directory. If we give the grep computation 1, it will give the compound text and directory wise lab2 and lab2 and dir1. In 12th question, check whether the file sample text is present here. If we give the sample text, it will show no such factory, and sample text move only labs and it will give the name. And rename the file sample text. There is a sample is text, no such directory, new file directory, and this one will come. Display the calendar of 2021. If I give this, it will show the calendar. Remove the directory, it will give ls minus 1. It removed and it showed. And display last 3 lines of the file text. If I give cd, it will ls, and ls will give total history text. display the commands to execute for into a file name. Today history, it will show the history today text. How many 18th question, how many files are present under the home directory? It is 52. If we give ls minus 1 command, it will give total 52. Proving short files and if I give this short now new text, it will show this command. 20th question, if I give change the permission of newly created files such as group user other don't access any type of access if it is directory. And if I give ls minus 1 empty text, if I give 0 July empty, and it will give this. That's all. Thank you.